Welcome to today's demo on developer onboarding with Cortex. Onboarding new developers can be one of the biggest bottlenecks in an engineering organization. Often it takes months for a new hire to get up to speed. Finding out where critical resources live, understanding best practices, and seeing how everything in the environments connect. During this time, even highly skilled engineers can feel uncertain and less productive. Cortex is designed to change that, helping developers get the context and the guidance they need so they can start delivering value from day one. Let's take a look at how this works in practice. Imagine a new engineer joins your team. Day one, they log into Cortex and are immediately greeted with a personalized homepage. Everything they need is right here. An overview of the entities they own, as well as scorecards and initiatives, and a view of prioritized work. If they need to understand the landscape, they have full access to the catalog, where they can discover how all of the data is related. No longer are they wasting weeks hunting for information, like who owns this, what does this service do, what is this service reliant on. They can start making informed contributions from the very first day. On top of that, developers can connect Cortex MCP directly into their IDE, getting contextual answers and guidance right where they are writing code, making onboarding seamless and productive. They can explore scorecards, where standards are clearly defined. What does it take for something to be production ready? What security requirements apply to my entities? Are there any ongoing initiatives like migrations or end-of-life upgrades that I need to be aware of? This clarity gives developers the confidence to act without hesitation. Guided workflows will walk them through various tasks, like getting access to the tools and the projects they need. Things like access to Slack channels, GitHub repos, Jira boards, without waiting for manual provisioning. When a new environment needs to be created or a new service, these golden paths embed best practices directly into the process, and developers can do things the right way every time without needing to ask for help. Cortex doesn't just manage the onboarding. It transforms it. Effective onboarding isn't just about giving developers access to tools. It's about helping them understand the ecosystem, the workflows, the culture of your engineering organization. When onboarding is slow or inconsistent, productivity suffers, mistakes happen more often, and it takes longer for new team members to contribute meaningfully. Cortex turns onboarding from a slow, frustrating process into a structured, value-driven experience, helping new developers ramp up quickly, understand the environment, and start delivering impact right away. If you'd like to learn more about how Cortex can transform your developer onboarding experience, please reach out to us.